So I'm playing COD with the boys and I get hungry, and I light some incense. Then I start pondering, what do I have in the cupboard? Ah, that's right, got spaghettiOs. SpaghettiOs by themselves are kind of boring, so we're gonna amp it up with some flour. Yeah, not that exciting, but just bear with me, we're going somewhere. Drop it in the stand mixer. Mix it all together. Do I need an egg? Nah, I'm good. Meatballs from the spaghettiOs aren't enough, so what are we gonna do? We get some Spam. That's what we got. We take that Spam, lay it out, chop it. Then we throw that Spam in the pan, let it sizzle. Tasty, crunchy. Throw it in the mix. I think we do need an egg, actually, so take it. We're gonna put it in some hot grease, fry it up. Yeah, long shapes, kind of like tenders. Last of my tomatoes and onions, but I need some sauce, because sauce is good, so put it in a blender. We're gonna mix that thing up, but it's not enough sauce, so Polynesian ketchup, yeah, that'll work. We'll just mix it all together and then hit it on some heat. Bring it to the heat so all those flavors get to mingling. Yeah, mingle up. And there you have it. You work with what you got. Now we got chicken tenders made out of spaghettiOs with a tomato, onion, garlic sauce. So MacGyver meal, so